Carol from Carol's Crafts. Welcome back if you've been before. And hi, if this is your first time, welcome. This is me doing an unboxing of my Diamond Art Club. Now I did order 3, but I'm just going to unbox 1 at the moment. I haven't got much time, so I'm just going to do this one. So I've got my candle lit for anybody that needs prayers, thoughts or positivity. Put that out of the way. I've got my cup of tea, which has been made for a little while. But it is still warm. So yes, I ordered this. Oh gosh, now you're asking, when did I order it? Let me have a look. I ordered it on the 6th of November and it came on the 12th of November. So that's really quick, but I didn't have a chance to open it till today. So I've had it a while. Well, what, 6 days? Something like that. But that's okay. So this is the one, should we get into it? Ooh. So we know it's a round because we've got a round circle and it says round diamonds, because it always puts a square for squares, round for round. We've got this lovely holographic, and that's what we've got. We've got Inner Fight by Jojoes Art, 51 centimeters by 66 centimeters, or 20 inches by 26 inches. So let's get into it. So how's everybody's week gone? Are you all okay? Have you been up to much? The sun is trying to shine here. It is cold, but I think it's about 3 degrees, something like that, which is not too bad. I'll put that over there. So yeah, it says all inclusive, see back for content. So on the back of every box, you've got how it works. Peel back the film, how to put it down, how to fill your pen, everything. Tells you your kit contents, premium velvet, tarpaulin canvas, colour-coded resin diamonds, magic diamond applicator, comfort grip and multi-placer, 2 wax pads, craft tray and resealable baggies. You've got an inventory sheet with the pre-cut sticky labels, which come with all of them now, which I love. So let's tip it out. Everything. Yep, that's everything. So they always give you one of these little stickers, which I love, and I put them, I'll show you now. So I close my box back up. Okay, hang on, I'm leaning it towards me. I know it isn't the best lights. Hang on, I'll try and move it now. So I peel it off, yeah, and then I just stick it on the top. So then when I'm stacking it, whether you stack it flat or whatever, you don't have to open the box or move the box. You can see by that it's that. Some people put them in their journal, but that's what I do with it. So I'll just put the box out of the way. We have the baggie. I'll just take this out so it can breathe a minute. Means just the canvas can relax. I can figure out how to get into it. It's sealed. There it is. Right, so I'll just unroll it for it to relax and get the diamonds out. What have we got here? So we'll have a look at the, hang on, I'll move you like that. We'll have a look at the kit that you get with it. You get your trays. I love these, so you can pour them back into your bags. We've got a few of the baggies. See how you do that? Pippa told me this one. If they're closed, just get your thumb and your finger and just push one way, one the other. So I'm going that way with the thing and then backwards with that one. And it pops open. And then what you do is when you're putting it back in, you've got your funnel. In you go and close them up. So you have some bags. Then you have your single placer and your 4 placer, which would go on that end, so you can do both. Then you've got your gripper that you put on, or cushion, whichever you want, on your pen. 2 lots of wax. You just poke your end of your pen in there, to get your wax on, but all the instructions are there for you to see. That is my cat. She's in and out, they are today. Right, let's put that to the side. You always have the instructions, step-by-step instructions, which some people love, some people hate. So you've got that. Then this, which we all love. So now they do this, that can go into your journal. If you want to put that in your journal, or again on the side of your box, it's up to you. And these are all pre-cut. So now I keep these extras. So can you see? They're all pre-cut. See? So I keep these extras so that if I need to write on them, I've got some stickers to make up my own on my old kits and things if they haven't got the stickers. Or you can use them to put them on your cross stitch bags or things. You know, there's multiple uses for these, so yeah. But I always keep them. But yeah, isn't that gorgeous? In a fight. This really appealed to me because this is me. This is me, and this is all me fighting with myself over different things. And I like what it's written about it as well. It says, the description is, embrace your duality and find balance between passion and reason. Keen instincts warn you of a ravaged soul, yet cool the burning fires from within. Rather than judge what is good or evil, you leap towards your destiny fully and know that you will survive. I thought that was quite poignant. And this has 42,536 diamonds, if you're wondering. Diamond Art, I used to count them when I first started, but Diamond Art Club actually write it down how many diamonds are on the canvas, so you don't have to anymore. Because some people like to write how many diamonds they've put down. It's got 37 colours, including 4 ABs. So I'll show you the symbols. Sorry the lighting isn't brilliant, but it's dark outside, well, darkish outside. There's nothing on there I think that's going to confuse me. And as you know, it doesn't take a lot. So right, let's turn her over. Oh, she is beautiful. Now if it curls like this, all you need to do, because it's poured glue, is just roll it the other way, yeah? And that usually cures it. Or if that doesn't, there you go. If it doesn't, just pull that back and flatten it, and that'll help as well. So there she is. I don't know if I can get up high enough. There you go. Excuse all the mess because I am sewing as well for my shop. So yeah, what do you think? I love it. I love it. So let's see. This is what you expect, nice and sticky. You have a chart there and one index there, so you've got it on both corners, which is lovely. So it doesn't matter which way you rotate, you've got it on there to be able to see all the way around. Should we have a look at the quality of the symbols? As you can see, Diamond Art Club always give you a nice sparkly canvas, and their symbols are always crystal clear. I've never had any problems with Diamond Art Club symbols. They are brilliantly clear. I will measure as well, not that I've ever had any problems with their sizing. So what is it, 66 by 51. It's a smidgen under 51, but it's smack on the 20 inches. So and it is a smidgen under 66 and a smidgen under 26. So that's near enough accurate enough for me. You ain't going to get much closer. So yeah, I'll give you the There is Facebook group and the Instagram group for Diamond Art Club. Yeah, so we'll have a look at the diamonds. They have got the name of the canvas on here, so that number there matches that one there. So if you want to store your diamonds separately to your canvases, you can. Now I just roll it back up and put them back in the box, and even now when I work on Diamond Art Club, if I want to, I know I can roll it up and keep it in the box as well, which is great. And they don't bubble or wrinkle or anything. I can just come back and forth to it. So let's get into the diamonds, because we all want to see what the diamonds are like. And you've got to love Jojoes Art as well, haven't you? So we've got plenty of 310s. We've got 3 bags of 310s, your blacks. We've got 1, 2 of the 939s, 2 bags of the 3371s, 823 blues, 820, 3843, some browns, 814, 2 bags, another blue, 995, brown, 815. Here we have an AB. Oh my god, look at that, guys. 136 AB. That is beautiful. Look at that sparkle. 996, 355, 3853, 3846, 598, 3854, 3777. Then we have 3830, 3776, 743, 3811, 720. Oh, another AB, 131. Look at that orange. Ooh, that is gorgeous. Another AB, 129. That's like a yellow. 726, 775. Oh, look at that. That's like a, I don't know, blacky sort of Oribolus, whatever you call it. That's lovely. Look at that. 102. Tell me what you'd call that one. Can't think of the name. Oribolus? No, you know what I mean. You lot tell me down below. Oh, 744, 993, 740, 900, 3837, 841, 434, 413, 758 and 647. And as you can see, don't even need to get them out of the bag. Look, they look lovely. There's a couple of tiny little ones in there. See them there? But that's easy. You do get the odd. You're not going to get every box has got completely and utterly perfect. Look, there's some hitchhikers come to Wales. But there's no dimples on them or anything. They all look perfect size. Oh, sorry, can you not see? Even there. Even these ones do. Where's the other ones there? See what they look for size in. They look lovely. I think this is the most I've had 4 ABs. I don't think I've had one with 4. Might have. Yeah, so what do you think? Is this up your street? Does it appeal to you because it's wolves, or does it appeal to you like I am because it reflects my inner soul fighting with itself? And I love wolves, and who doesn't love wolves, but you know. Yeah, that's me, and that's my other souls on my shoulders fighting each other. So yeah, I love it. Let me know down in the comments what you think. Have you got it? Are you going to get it? Or is it not your cup of tea? I think it's on offer at the moment. It's £48 and it was down to £38. Now, I didn't have to pay any shipping or tax. Well, tax is included in it. Because they put the prices up to include some of the taxes and stuff. So I find it easy now. If you order over £56, is it 56? Yeah, £56, you get free shipping. which I think is great. So yeah, so I paid £38 for this one. And I love it. I think it's out of stock now, but it is going to be coming back in stock. They just said if you ask them to drop you an email when it comes back in, guys. So with that, I'm going to love you and leave you. I could probably go on about it, but as I say, I'm tired today, so it's only a quickie. Yeah, have a chat down below, as I've missed you all this week. Could do with somebody giving me a chat. My social media is down below. My Etsy shop is down below as well. My Patreon, everything you need to know about me is down below, guys. If you're not subscribed, you might fancy staying and seeing all the different crafts that I do. Press the old button, and there's a notification button that lets you know when I go live, which is on a Sunday, and when I upload videos, which is a few times a week. So with that said, I'm going to love you and leave you, let you get on with your days. Thank you ever so much for stopping by. Take care, look after yourselves, and most importantly, guys, stay safe. Love you all. Bye.